welcome back to my channel. This is Simran Khan and I would be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So as you'll have read by the title, today I'm doing a video on how to create a proper base for makeup. I'll tell you why I thought of doing this video now because 1 week back I had breakouts on my face and the marks have still remained if you can see. So I thought it will be a great time to do this video because the marks, I can show you how to hide the marks through makeup and also how to create a very nice base. Starting with the makeup, I have moisturized my face. Next, I'm using this primer.
Just apply a little bit of it on your full face. It will give you a layer between your makeup and your skin so that the makeup doesn't really go into your skin and okay.
Next, what we actually do is we use a foundation or a concealer. No, the next step has to be color correcting. So I'm using a color corrector now. Okay, so I'm using this color corrector and the shade I'm going to use is this. If you are very fair, then you have to use green or else any other shade of your skin you have to use this color corrector. So starting with my spots. Next, I have to color correct if you have too many dark circles, you can color correct, or if you don't have any, you can just go for the next step, that is the concealer.
So I'm gonna blend this with a damp blender.
Okay, so I'm done with my blending. Now I will go for the foundation. I am using this foundation from Huda Beauty. Make sure you use a foundation which is one shade light or one shade darker than your skin, or perfectly fits your skin. Sometimes you don't get foundations which fit your skin, so in that case you can use one shade lighter or one shade darker, but don't make it more darker or lighter, your face will look white. And make sure you apply a little portion of it on your skin. If you're using a foundation, it will be good if it is full coverage foundation, so you won't have to use much of it.
Okay, so I'm done with my foundation. Now let's not jump to the concealer. Before doing the concealer, what I do is I apply compact on my foundation because I think it gives a matte look. So let's start. This is my way of doing makeup. You can make a few changes in this if you wish to. So I'm using the compact from Oriflame. Okay, when you're applying foundation, make sure you apply it on your neck as well because the color difference will be seen. I mostly forget to do so, so I'll do it now.
Okay, so next thing I'm doing is the concealer. I'm using the same palette which I use for color correcting, but my concealer shade is, sorry, this one.
So next step is blending.
Yeah, so I'm done with blending. As soon as you blend the concealer, pack it with the loose powder or else you will see cracks in the concealer. So I will pack it with loose powder.
We will let it set. Till then, I think we should do a. I should do my eyebrows.
So make sure for eyebrows you never use a black color because that will never make your eyebrows look natural. So you use a color which suits you, like a very dark brown. If your eyebrows you think are thick and black, you can use dark brown, or if they are light, you can use a little lighter shade of brown. Do not use black. It looks very unnatural.
Okay, I'm done with my eyebrows. Now I think my concealer is set. So I will just brush off the excess powder. Okay, so now I'll get rid of the excess powder. Okay, so the next step will be, actually this will be a part of makeup whatever I do next. So I'll continue a little part on the camera and the remaining makeup I'll do off camera because this is just about the base. Okay, so first I'll contour using this contour palette. Use a thinner brush for contour of your nose and your chin. So I'm using this brush. Now, for your nose to look straight, just contour the remaining part, I mean the sides of your nose. So on top of this you have to apply compact. If you think your contour has become too much on your face or your blush, you can balance it with a compact always. But you should know the correct amount of compact to use. So next I'll apply blush. Now again apply compact on my full face to balance everything which is in excess. Okay, so I think the base part is completely done. I will do the remaining makeup off camera and get back to
I am done with the remaining steps. I have done a simple makeup this time. But remember, whichever makeup you do, the base remains the same for everything. Just the eyeshadow and the remaining things will change, whichever makeup you're doing. So that was it for today. I hope you liked this video and I hope this video will help you doing your makeup. I come up with videos every Saturday, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and comment. Thank you so much for watching.